Well, today I'm gonna upgrade this PC because last time I brought a big monitor, 49-inch, it couldn't handle it. Okay, so what I'm gonna work on this PC, change this graphic card and the CPU behind this, and also upgrade the memory. I'm gonna change a graphic card to 1660 Ti and CPU and memory card upgrade to 24. It's 8 GB right now. Okay, so I took the graphic card out. It was this one. It's a very small fan and small graphic card. But what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna try to fit this in there. So it's really big difference. The old graphic card is really small and the new one is really big. So hopefully it turned okay. So it's gonna go like this. Okay, so it wasn't that easy, but I did install big graphic card in a small PC. Well, when I buy it, that's the biggest PC that time, but it's been a while now. So the graphic card I installed, 1660 Ti, has a really small space between left, so there's the fans are really close. Hopefully they will be okay. I mean, hopefully the fans doesn't scratch on the top. All right, so now I'm ready to test. Okay. Hopefully everything went okay. Turn the lights on. Got a monitor here and PC here. I'm gonna test the graphic card. Graphic card didn't start yet. There's the beeping. What is it? It's beeping. Turning off. I don't know, what was it? Okay, so PC update. Last night I was working on this to see if 1660 Ti gigabyte graphic card work on old PC. So I find out why it didn't work, why it was just beeping. The reason of beeping, it was telling me there was something wrong. That's why I don't want to start. So, and what I find out, um, it was motherboard only give a 75 watt to the graphic card, and this graphic card need a 130 watt. So that's why it didn't run. So somehow we need to supply the power. See over here on the new PC, they always has the adapter here, but this PC only provide 75 watt to the graphic card. So since it's a bigger graphic card, I need more power in here. So I was looking for where I'm gonna get power source. First I was looking at side of the motherboard. Over there's two power connector available, but there's another way we can get power out of this. See, one P4 available. It's 15 pin. You can maybe say 15 pin to 8 pin right here. So I ordered that, and also I'm gonna clean this all the dirt before I start anything. So I order that supply too. So it's gonna take a couple weeks to come. And after that it should work. And this PC is a HPE 580T, and the old graphic card was 12 GB, but this one is has a 6 or 4. It was 4 GB anyway. Yeah. Okay. I got the wire this morning and delivered, so I already put them on, and it fit really good from 15 pin to 8 pin to new graphic card. So I'm just testing. Remember I was talking about the space over here? So it's very close, so I'm just double checking if fans are far away enough. This one is okay. I didn't see anything hitting. Let's give it a try. Okay, so okay, I'm going to try new graphic card to old PC. The new graphic card is 1660 Ti, and the PC is HPE 580 model. The graphic card is running good. Wow. The computer is also boosting. Look at that. That's the biggest graphic card for old PC. While it's running, so the graphic card is running very smooth. See, the fans are running, and all I'm worried about, the fans really close to the top board. It's a little bit risk, but hopefully it doesn't move. Even if it move like a little bit, it will gonna hit the fan. So anyway, the PC is on. Okay, so after that new graphic card, I have to go to the device manager and install new drivers, and also update the window like a regular update right here. And finally it did recognize the GPU, NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. So it's still updating, but it sounds like it's going to work very well. Here finally Windows has successfully updated your driver. Windows has finished installing driver for device NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Ti. Okay. So close that. See here the main thing. First, when it show up, it said other device not recognized, and then display. This is the main thing. Before you change any graphic card, you have to come to the computer and search here for device manager and go to the display port adapters right here. Click here and then click right on this, and then you have to do disabled before you change. After, and then it's automatic start working. I don't have to do any enable, so it's ready to go. And there's some other stuff also updating. So I'm gonna restart the computer and CPU and the memory card. After that, this computer is gonna be amazing, because what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna start run into the 49-inch monitor. So you need bigger graphic card. Here is a more specific for GeForce GTX 6060 Ti. So NVIDIA cores 1536 and base clock 1500 and boost clock is a 1770, and the memory speed is a 12 GB. Display sport. So the maximum digital resolution is 7680 times 4320 and 120 hertz rate. And that's the main reason I change the graphic card, because if you change to 49-inch monitor, you need this big size, you know. The old graphic card was only covering like 2500, and the monitor resolution size is like a 5000 times 1400 something. So that will cover easily the screen size. And also the old graphic card was only up to 60 hertz, and this one is to go up to 120 hertz. And also the old graphic card was in this PC was has only DVI and a BEA option, and this one has a DP 1.4a 3 ports and HDMI 2.01 port. So other than that's only the main reason I change in this old PC, HP 580T. Samsung 49-inch monitor. Just got done unboxing. It's gonna be look cool. So in the back there, this is a power plug, and that's the where it's gonna be lighting. And over here, the panel. So it's got headphone and HDMI display 1, display port 2, and 2 USB and internet connection port. So let's put this all together. Alright, Samsung 49-inch monitor is all set up, ready to go. So it's refresh rate 120, and it's got display resolution size is 5120 times 1440, and the graphic card I change on this PC is manage easily. It has a more higher than this size, and also this graphic card is made for to handle at least 3 monitor like this if it have to, because it's got 3 display port option. It looks so cool. 49-inch monitor, Samsung G9. So the PC update is for now I'm gonna use still this PC, and the reason I didn't buy a new PC, I was awaiting a AMD chip 5990X, 64 cores, Threadripper. PC update. So today I'm gonna go ahead remove all this dirt over the CPU and the memory. So today I received this PC cleaning supplies, and it's gonna help me to clean easier because there's some really small compounds in this PC and it's really hard to reach. So we have to use that supply to get this done. And after that, we're gonna change the CPU and the memory card. Well, look at this. It's all look clean now. I removed all the dirt was built for last 6-7 years, and it's gone. There's just a little bit down there left, but I couldn't reach down there. So when I open this heatsink, so maybe I'll try to clean a little bit more, but after all, it look really nice and clean. So I'm gonna go ahead try the memory card first, remove all these 6 and install just this big one, and then I'll try to see if everything okay, and after that we're gonna try to change a CPU. Okay, so finally it come off the heatsink of the CPU, and see those spring is not HP did a good job, so that way we don't lose it. It's gonna stay with that like that. And so there's a CPU down there. That's I'm gonna replace, guys. This PC I'm just learning first time, so next time if I have to upgrade anything, new PC, it will be easy for me. But trust me, I don't like this type of work, but it's good to learn. So I got heatsink is clean, and also remember order to put a new CPU on, we have to use a soft cloth to remove all the dirt and after vacuum. And same thing, gonna take the old CPU out from here. There's a lock over here. It's not gonna come that easy. To put my phone away for a minute. Well, guys, the thing on the left side of the lever, I have to push a little bit down and pull the side away. Right here, the lock, and take them out. So this the time, guys. It's time to take the old CPU out. Finally, it wasn't that easy, but to read the CPU. Oh, come on! I made a mistake. Come on, it's not supposed. So I got the CPU out, and there's the old CPU right there. And this is the new CPU. It's in there. let's see. Take them out and let's see what it look like. Well, look like they gave this thing with a new CPU, but I didn't know that. I also ordered two since I know it was right here. It's got a gold pad in there, and also when you install new CPU, you gotta put this thing on the top. And but it's already in there. Here is a new CPU, and you know when they made this PC, and this CPU was the highest CPU that time. So I'm gonna put this into this PC, and this PC will be max out then. Okay, so on this point, I already put a CPU in there and paste and silver paste, and I already put a heatsink and tight the screws. And this thing I took them off earlier and I put them on. So now next, that's the old CPU right there in the memory card slot. And this memory card is by itself is 24 GB memory capacity, and the old one was about just each was 2 GB and 1 GB like this, so total was like 8 or 9, and that's the graphic card is left. And I'm very close to final test. Hopefully everything should be okay. Okay, finally it's on. I put other 5 old memory card and also one new one. So this is the one old one is left for 2 GB. There's a new one on the left side, and it's boosting, which is good. I did a research a little bit. They said you can have 2 different speed in one computer, so which is okay, and it did work. So it taking a little bit longer than usual, but good thing is it said please wait. Please wait this time. You upgrade too much to this PC. Finally, everything I buy this for this PC upgrades, everything is in there right now. So let's try to figure out what else I did change. So still saying please wait. Too much load. That's funny. So if everything went okay, I'm just so excited to see what is gonna be memory speed and what is gonna be new CPU look like. It's gonna be look good, because the new CPU is gonna be 6 core, and the old one was 4. And let's see, it's turning on. Okay, PC update. So at this point, there was total 6 memory card slots. So I did put back 4 and the 5 memory card slots, older one, and the one is a new one on the left side. And when you come over here, first here is the good news. Remember the CPU I updated is running nice and smooth. It was 4 cores and now is move to 6 cores and speed go up to 3.47 gigahertz, and the GPU I upgrade, I already showed you earlier guys, and in my previous video it's a 1660 Ti, and which is helping to handle 49-inch monitor. And there is about memory is still showing same old speed because I have to install the older one because it wasn't turning on. The memory total was 9, and now it's reduced to 7 because the new slice it's not coming up. But there is some new updating. If it still doesn't work, I'm gonna try to update the drivers, everything, and if still doesn't work, then I'm gonna put on the older 2 GB over there sitting. The memory slice I'm gonna put back to 9, I guess. But other than everything is working perfect. CPU, graphic card, and we are waiting for memory card to see if it's work. We're gonna do the window memory diagnosis tool test, and still said no problem have been detected yet, but I'm still trying. If I show the new memory card at 24 gig instead of 2, total 9, and still working on it, we'll see. Final update about this PC. This PC is fully upgraded now. Like I said earlier, I changed the graphic card and CPU, and also I was trying to change the RAM. The RAM I buy, it was 24 GB, and it was right over here, and it didn't work. The reason it didn't work because this computer is built for, you have to have a 4 different RAM. Each RAM will be 6 GB, and so that will make a 24, not just one RAM like this is 24. So I'm gonna stay with the original RAM, which was as 9 GB, because you know, it's only 6 core CPU, so 9 GB is plenty for that. Here is a full test. It's picking up the speed. I put some load on it. It's even going overclock. It's making a framing over here, and 4K. So I'm just checking how system handling it. So the GPU is pretty much not working. So all the load is on a CPU right now. And let's see what's going on over here. It's pretty loud. So this fan and the GPU fan is running. And this is CPU. Yeah. It's cooking, huh?